I'll teach you how to get Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and many other Microsoft tools, both online and offline. How to install Microsoft Office on Chromebook Offline. As you can see, I'm using an application that has very similar UI to Microsoft Office Docs. Now, if you just want a tool to be able to write and make your spreadsheets, then this is perfect for you. But we cannot download the official Microsoft Office on Chromebook. I mean, we could, but it's a really old version and the process is also very complicated. Let's get right into it. First step to get Microsoft Office on your school Chromebook Offline version is to get the Linux terminal. Now, before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and also comment down below if this video works for you. Now, let's get right back.
I need you guys to type in settings and hit enter right away. Great. Now I need you guys to focus on the left panel, scrolling all the way down to the bottom until you find the About Chromeware section. Excellent. Now go ahead and search for the Linux development environment and click the setup button to the right hand side of that. Now, once in the interface, I need you guys to go ahead and click on Next. Now, as you can see, it allows you to customize your username, and so I'm going to make mine GD7OS for the sake of this video, and I'm going to leave it on recommended because 10 gigs is just enough for me, and I'm going to click on Install. Now, whilst this is downloading, we'll be moving on to the next step. Great. Now, once your terminal is done downloading or installing, go ahead and click on your launcher on the left-hand side and type in Terminal. And then once that is there, go ahead and select the one with the green and white slash right there. Now, once this opens, go ahead and click on Penguin right under Linux, which should load you and boot you up into your terminal.
How to download Microsoft Office on Chromebook Offline. Go ahead to your browser and on the search engine, go ahead and type in gd7plotblogspot.com/03/wps.html. Great. Now press enter and wait for the page to load. Great. Now scroll down and copy this link and go ahead and open a new tab and paste it there and press enter again. Our file will be automatically downloaded, so go ahead and click on show in folder. And there you see your file. Now go ahead and right click and cut it and go over to Linux files and go ahead and paste it there. Great. Now I need you guys to go ahead and right click and rename the file to just Office. Now this is to make it easy for us to type it in the terminal. Now do not touch the .flacref part, otherwise it could lead to a corrupt file. Great. Now save it and go back to your terminal. Now this is how to download Microsoft Office on your Chromebook. Now go ahead and type in sudo space apt space update and hit enter. Great. Now type in sudo space apt space upgrade and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. Great. Now this was to make sure that your Chromebook is up to date, so we won't have any issues when we're downloading Microsoft Office. Now type in cat space /etc/debian_version and hit enter. Your version should at least be 10 to continue. We've verified that your Chromebook is up to date. Now we can install Microsoft Office. So you're going to type in sudo space apt space install space flatpak and you're going to hit enter. Great. Now type in Y and hit enter again. Now wait for it to download. Now once that is installed, go ahead and type in sudo space flatpak space install space office.flatpakref. Go ahead and hit enter and now press Y and hit enter. Now wait for this to install. Now this was how to install Microsoft Office on your school Chromebook. Now I'm going to show you how this exactly works. Now I'm going to go over to the launcher and on the search bar I'm going to type in WPS. Great. Now before you even finish, you can see so many different options here. So I'm just going to click on this one and I'll show you how that works. Now, as you can see, there's document working on my school Chromebook. Now, this is not the same as Microsoft Office, but I'm sure it's going to be very useful for you because everything is very similar to what you can find on Microsoft Office document. Now, I'll do a different one. This is spreadsheet, and as you can see, I'm able to write on every single cell here. Now, go ahead and download it yourself, and you can experiment and see which app you're looking for on this bundle. Now, this is how to get the online version. What I need you guys to do is go down to the description and click on the website link, and it will take you to this website. Now go ahead and click on the Microsoft Office site, and it will take you to this website. Now click on the sign in button on the top right, and go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account, or sign up if you don't have one. Now I'll sign up and I'll see you guys on the other side of my screen. Great. Now as you can see, this is the Microsoft Office 365 homepage. There is Microsoft Word here, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote. In addition, there you can see there's apps that Microsoft provides. So there's Calendar, there's so many other different things. There's Bing Editor. Now I'll go over to Word and I'll show you how this exactly works. There's Microsoft Word, and this is exactly what it would look like on the Microsoft app. You can write here and this will automatically save to your cloud, so you don't even need to save it. So go ahead and do that. Now if you want to know how you can get Steam on your school Chromebook, go ahead and click on the video on the screen. Otherwise, like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below if this video worked for you. Peace out.